Hi, my name is Cinthya Osuna and I am the Instrumentation Manager for our Chemistry Department here at IIT. Welcome to one of our instrumentation labs. Here we house the equipment that's used in the analytical characterization of matter. Whether it's for our teaching labs or our research labs, we offer access to a wide array of analytical instruments whose purpose is to offer both qualitative and quantitative analyses to further our students' understanding of the subject matter they're investigating. So not only do we offer this to our graduate students, but we also offer access to our undergrad students through undergrad research projects. Some of the instrumentation offerings include FTIR, UV-Vis, HPLC, gas chromatography coupled with mass spec. We have both a benchtop NMR, which is 60 megahertz, and a 300 megahertz NMR that's obviously not in this room because it has its own zip code. I kid, but it is housed on its own in a room much larger than the one we are in today. We also have a single crystal XRD that aids in the determination of crystal structures. Our Thermogravimetric Analyzer measures the mass of a sample with changing temperature over time. We have both a RamanScope as well as an atomic force microscope, which has a resolution in the order of fractions of a nanometer. Can you imagine that? But check out our website for the full listing of analytical instruments offered by our chemistry department. So we not only offer direct access to a wide assortment of analytical instruments, but we also offer hands-on training that will allow our students to gain the experience needed to help set them apart in the job market and make them that much more qualified to discover, to create, to solve.